Hello, everyone. Today I present you a selection of three 60% mechanical gaming keyboards to improve your gaming experience. If we discover these unique and efficient products together, from the most compact to the most ergonomic, let's go. Let's start with the mechanical gaming keyboard of dierya DK61SE. This compact keyboard with 61 keys offers a 60% design for more space on your desk. With red linear switches for a precise strike, it guarantees a liquid gaming experience without conflicts. The double recording key and the blue glacier blue LED backlight offer a unique style for a total immersion and compatible with different operating systems and is ideal for demanding players. Strike. With three adjustable perspectives for optimal comfort, this keyboard offers 19 lighting and LED effects to adapt your gaming experience. Compatible with a variety of systems, is the perfect gift for video leader in search of performance and style. Finally, let us discover the mechanical keyboard Tecurs in white and gray. With its clicky blue switches for a unique touch experience, compact keyboard with 61 keys offers a customizable LED backlight for maximum visual and diving glares. Compatible with several platforms, is the ideal choice for players who deal with their comfort and style. See us soon for other high-tech discoveries.